Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Orangnya orang minggu tanggal 8 bulan 10. Ya, di Vancouver orangnya kamu Aceh tengah Maulid. Ya, Maulid orang budaya Aceh di Vancouver. Ya, jadi Maulid kalinya bertempat di Unannya. Community ada sewa hall, ada sewa hall lah. Empat bangunan ni. Pak perkiraan pi luar baju. Orang tanya dengan istirahat luar pempir kok. Bauru Americana truk.
Apa nih?
Dari apa kan?
Iya.
Oh, truk ya.
Arab.
Ya, gimana?
Lebanon.
Ya.
NJ. Aneh. Afrika.
Ya, grup kon-kon ya. Jadi ada mau dalam tu mah. Ya, generasi penerus. Ya kali mendikir benar ya. Nampak dong.
It's your turn to count.
Banyak kan bahasa Inggris.
Agama yang paling besar penyebaran. What's the reason of Islam? The first language-nya diberikan kami. Apa sebabnya Islam kok paling besar? Number one, because of the power of Quran. The power of the Quran. Apa sih Quran? Now,
Maulid present. This is recited in South Africa. This is recited all throughout the Middle East. This is recited in Chechnya. This is recited in China. And it's been recited since it was first written in 1100 Hijri. So this tradition, sometimes we look at it as tradition, and we look at it as just something that, we hold on to, and it's hard for us to see where our Islam fits into Islam in the larger context of Canadian society. But know that our tradition, though we may not understand where it comes from, it's deeply rooted in Islam. The Acehese tradition is deeply rooted in Islam. So
he decided to choose the best from the best all the way to Adam alayhi salam, and that was Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And the day he was born, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, it was the 12th of Rabi' al-Awwal. And there we celebrate that day of the birth of Muhammad alayhi salatu wasallam. Now, this date Allah have chosen not only for the birth of Sayyidina Muhammad alayhi salatu wasallam, He also have chosen that specific date for another two important incidents. For the three of them. First one was the birth of Sayyidina Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the year of Al-Fil, which is the year of elephant, and you know what happened that year. And the second day, the 12th of Rabi' al-Awwal,
Yang kemenangan acara Maulid di Vancouver. Berarti yang hadir sekitar leher Toro dah. Lebih kurang. Dia menang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.